I have a few more advent calendars and beauty calendars and chocolate calendars to open for the season, just for the fun of it. And we're gonna go with the IKEA one, or IKEA, however you like to pronounce it. I go back and forth. I apologize if that's confusing. And a good surprise on this one is every year you can basically get this one for free. And if you're here for just the beauty, I totally get you. We're just having fun through the season. And my friend Yazik says that dark chocolate is great for beauty and health. So we're going to add this into the line of beauty and skincare just for this season, just for fun. And my tea of choice today is Lady Grey from Twinings. I always mess that up. I always call it Twinings, or is it Twinings? Can anyone let me know? Do you do the same? Is it Twinings or Twinings? Either way, it's a really great tea. I usually drink green teas. I know I love black teas as well, but green tea is normally the one I drink because it's so great for your skin. Okay, so let's get into this beautiful calendar here. The back of it has this little reindeer or deer and it's so cute, and it has all the different chocolate flavors and their descriptions. So there's several different types, and it looks like we have 2 little promotional cards in there, and this is going to be why you basically get this for free every year and why everyone runs to get this. It costs $14.99, so let's open a few of these. I don't know if I'm going to open all of them. I don't know. Let's just start with day 1. And day 1 is right here. Very easy to open. I appreciate that. And it looks like, ooh, this is a vanilla truffle. I'm going to cut it open. Ooh, that's hard. And that's what it looks like. It's really a pretty ball, but I don't really like the taste of it. It's just a blank flavor. I love like a deep, bitter chocolate flavor. And also I tend to not eat a lot of chocolate because I have a dairy issue. So that's why I have the no milk cup today. But yeah, I'm going in a little bit here and there, and then I'm going to pass this on to someone else because I can't eat all of these chocolates. I also have my dairy digestive just in case, because I'm going to be biting into a couple of these and it, yeah. Okay, let's go with day 2. I changed my mind about going with day 2 and decided to roll dice instead. So I'm gonna roll this die, and it's giving me day 4, which is right here. Oh, that one looks tasty. This is a caramel truffle, and that was much more smooth to open. That one is good. That's a good one. I really like that a lot more than the white chocolate one. I'm really hoping to get that dark chocolate praline that's right there. Let's roll 2 and see if we can get the dark chocolate. And we have number 7. Ooh, this feels nice. It's a nougat praline with nut pieces and marzipan. Actually, I'd really happy to open this one. That looks good. I love the look of this one. That one is very, very good. I like that one a lot. That is very tasty. Let's just do one more. Let's see. We got number 7 again. So I have to roll that again. All right, this is number 8. Chocolate orange crisp. Yeah, that one's really hard. It's very tasty though. We're gonna add some numbers. Let's roll a die twice. So we've got number 5. Plus 5 plus 5. Let's do it one more time. So we have 10, 10 plus 10. So we're gonna open door number 20. Okay, this one's a different one. This one is the giandula with salt. And I hope I said that right. I'm not sure at all. Oh, that made a beautiful cut though. That looks tasty. That one is really good. Has a beautiful like mocha coffee. Yes, very tasty. For the details, 3 pieces are 180 calories. The box is 9.77 ounces, 277 grams. They say there's 25 pieces. It is not a dairy-friendly product. It has milk, hazelnut, almond, and egg. It may contain coconut, walnuts, and pistachios. Let's open item number 6. It's really large, so I think this is one of the promotional items. And it is, and inside here we have a gift card. This is for a free meatball plate, and that would be the adult size, so it's $10 and $9.99. Door number 24. you have an IKEA gift card. It looks like that is for $5. And you have 2 pieces of chocolate. So there are 25 pieces of chocolate inside of here because you have the additional 3 and the 2 doors plus the 2 gift cards. So with the 2 gift cards equaling $15 and this being about $15 as well, you end up getting this all for free. And it's a really fun gift each year to grab and give to someone who loves IKEA. If you love the store as well, it's perfect. If you love chocolate, you're gonna have fun opening all these. I'm going to be giving the rest of this to my mom because I cannot digest dairy very well. So I'm gonna be taking one of these right away and passing the chocolate on to her, but I'm gonna keep this for myself because I have a few things that I love, and also I love the plant-based meatballs. They actually taste so amazing. I just don't eat regular meatballs, but the plant-based ones are so tasty. You should try them sometime if you haven't already. They're so good. You wouldn't even really notice the difference between that and like a red meat meatball type. But yeah, I'm going to get a few things at IKEA, and I think the $5 is going to come in handy. Thank you, Yasix, for encouraging me to still open the chocolate advent calendars, even though they're not specific beauty related. And I'm gonna put her channel link below because she's lovely and she has a recipe for Moro that she put up, and I just love it. I'm gonna be making it with her family recipe. Thank you again. Thanks for watching, and stay in touch, stay tuned, because I'm going to be continuing with my beauty advent calendar, skincare beauty, which is probably why you're here in the first place. If you're not, hi, come join, subscribe, like, comment. I'd love to have you here.